To understand this, we've crossed the Rubicon. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. I need them to understand this. We've crossed the Rubicon, the point of no return. There is nothing anybody can do. If I'm alive, if I'm dead, if I'm wherever I may be, Biafra will come. If I'm dead, it's even better because it will come far more quicker. Absolutely nothing.
Chai, the fact is that Igbo people does not watch MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's sacrifice. Igbo people does not watch MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's sacrifice. This is a man who is sacrificing his life for the betterment of the entire Igbos. And some of us are in the social media mocking his sentences of life imprisonment. Some of the prominent Igbo people are on social media mocking him, laughing at injustice meted on him, laughing at your brother. Man, if I were you, if you can take bribe, if you can collect bribe from federal government, collect the bribe and leave Igbo people. Igbo people does not want your sacrifice. Igbo people are the worst black people in this black race. You cannot do good thing for them.